Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me. So this is just to get ready with me to take some Instagram photos and to film a little reel on my birthday. So my birthday was actually August 10th. The look I'm wearing right now is not the look from the get ready with me. I've just been filming another makeup look, but I just wanted to add an intro and outro obviously onto this video. So I do hope you enjoyed Get Ready With Me. If you do, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And now let's get on into the video. So first I'm just starting with the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty. I actually got this for my birthday and so far I'm really loving it. So I'm just popping a bit on the back of my hand and then I'm just going to dot it all over my face and blend it out with my hands. It smells nice. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells nice. I've definitely used too much though. Next is foundation. So I did actually forget to show you what foundation I was using at first, but I do show you later on. And I'm just dotting that all over my face and then blending out with the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. And then I'm just taking my Brushworks foundation brush and just popping some foundation on my neck as well. And then I just blend it out with the same Miracle Complexion Sponge. And then I finally remembered to show you guys the foundation. So it was just the 17 Second Skin Enhancing Foundation. And then next I just went in with the 17 Second Skin Enhancing Concealer as well. And I just popped this under my eyes, around my nose, and anywhere else I felt like I needed some concealer. And then to blend out my concealer, I'm just using the same Miracle Complexion Sponge from before. Next, I'm just using the Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. I'm just popping a little bit of that in the lid of my old powder, and then I'm just taking my Real Techniques powder brush just to pop that all over my face to set my foundation and my concealer. And then I'm just taking the powder down my neck as well to set the foundation on my neck also. Next up is bronzer, so I'm just using my go-to Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm just taking the Real Techniques multitask brush and just popping that kind of under my cheekbones, in the hollows of my cheeks, and around onto my forehead slightly. Next is blush, and I'm just taking the L'Oreal Blush of Paradise blush. This is in the shade Life is a Peach, which is just this really nice, beautiful peachy pink shade. I think it has a slight shimmer to it, and I'm just applying that with the new Real Techniques blush brush that I got for my birthday. It's so fluffy. Next is highlighter, so I'm just taking the e.l.f. Metallic Flare Highlighter. This is in the shade White Gold, and I'm just going to be applying that to my cheekbones with my Kylie Cosmetics Large Angled Blending Brush. So for the eyeshadow, I am using the Revolution X Roxy Cherry Blossom Palette, and I'm just going to be using this shade right here, which is called Dazzle. It is a beautiful shimmer shade. It's kind of a gold shimmer, but I feel like it has maybe a slight rose gold hue to it. And I'm just going to be applying that all over my lids with my finger. And then I just went in with my Kylie Cosmetics medium blending brush just to kind of blend out the edges. Next, I'm just taking the shade Vanilla, and I'm just using my Real Techniques base shadow brush just to apply that almost as a matte brow highlight. And then next, for inner corner highlight, I'm just going back in with the e.l.f. highlighter, and I'm taking my Revolution setting spray, and I'm just popping some highlighter on a flat brush and then wetting it with the setting spray so that it just gives more of a shimmer and more of a pop of highlight to the inner corner. And then I just added a little extra with my finger as the brush didn't seem to be doing too well. I was using the wrong brush. Next up for mascara, I'm just taking the e.l.f. Lash Beats mascara. This is such a good inexpensive mascara, and I'm just popping that on my top and bottom lashes.
Hi, bud.
Next for brows, I'm just using the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Fix, and I'm just going to pop this through my brows following the natural shape of my brows. For the lips, I'm just using the Revolution X Roxy Lip Gloss. I absolutely love this. It's the perfect light pink shade, and it just goes with so many looks, so I'm just popping that on my lips. And then I'm just finishing my makeup with the Revolution Hydrate and Fix Setting Spray. I absolutely love this setting spray. I love how it sets my makeup, and I love the finish it gives to my makeup as well.
My hair's a mess.
And then for jewellery, I'm just keeping it super simple with the silver cross necklace that I always wear. And then this is the outfit I popped on to film the reel and take some photos for my birthday. It's just this really nice green tie front dress from JDY on ASOS. Okay, so that is all of the footage from the Get Ready With Me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up to let me know. You can also head on over to my Instagram if you would like to go check out the little reel and the photos that I took and everything. I'll have my Instagram up on the screen somewhere or linked in the description for you to go check that out if you'd like. If you're new to my channel, then be sure to subscribe right over here and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload. And I also have a vlog channel if that is something you'd be interested in. You can subscribe right over here. If you would like more content from myself, I will have 2 other videos up on the screen for you to choose from. So feel free to click one of those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye guys!